students, welcome back to Best Academy. Today I'm going to discuss a new topic of linear algebra. The topic is how you can find out the matrix along a transformation. For this, remember two things. For transformation, if you have any transformation defined, for example, you have the first transformation R2 to R3 to R2 defined by this transformation. How you can find out the matrix along the transformation? Remember two things. Number one thing, if you have any sort of transformation, you must understand the standard basis of that transformation. If you easily know the standard basis, you can easily find out the transformation of along any transformation. You can find out any matrix along any transformation. For example, first example is R2 to R3, and we know the standard basis of R2. This is the first example, and this is the second example. Right? If we choose first example, we know standard basis of R3, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. First we put 2 0 0 here. How what will be obtained in your on right side of an expression? The first one is that is 1 0 0. Here this first value I have put here. Then you put in your right side of an expression. Here if you notice that 1 minus 0, and here is 2 into, that is 2 into 0. So we will obtain 1 into 0. Right. So now we put second standard base, that is 0 1 0. So if you notice that here I'm going to put the values. Here is 0 minus 1 comma 2 into 0. We have obtained the values is negative of 1 into 0. Right. Now we put third standard basis of R3 in this transformation. So we obtain that is 0 0 1. So if you notice that 0 minus 0 in the first term, here will be obtained that is 2 into 1, and we have obtained 0 into 1. Right. So if you're going to write in the matrix form, this is your first row, second row, and third row. So we have obtained the matrix like this way. This is the first row, 1 0. This is the second row, minus 1 into 0, and this is the third row. So we can written as 0 to 1. So this is the first matrix we have obtained along the first example. So we can written as this is example 1. Right. Now we choose second example. How you can find out the transformation, you can find out the matrix along the second transformation. So we choose the second example. For example, here we're going to write here, and that is second example. So we can know that here is R2 to R3. So we must understand the standard basis of R2. So we know that standard basis of 1 0 and 0 1. Right. So we have the R2 space. The standard basis of R2 space is 1 0 and 0 1. Now first we put the first values in this equation, that is 2 1 0. So your left side of an expression, that is 1 plus 0, here is 0 and 2, that is term. If you notice that here is the term is 1 minus 0. So we have obtained the term is related to 1 0 0. So this is, here is we obtain the value is 2. So this is the first value. Along the first value have put the standard base, that is 1 0. Now we put the second standard base, that is 0 1. So if you notice that, put in the right side of an expression, here is 0, that is plus 1, 0, 2 into 0, that is negative of 1. So we have obtained the term 1 0 negative of 1. So we have obtained the matrix like this way. This is your first row and this is your second row. So we have obtained the matrix like this way. 1 0 2, and here is 1 0 negative of 1. So this is the basic procedure. You can obtain the matrix. If you notice that this is the matrix along first transformation, and this is the matrix along second transformation. And this is the basic procedural way you can find out the transformation along any, you can find out the matrix along any transformation. Here I'm going to start my lecture. If you have any sort of query, if you have any question, you give me a comment. I will discuss in next video. So see you shortly. Till next video. Bye bye.